Welcome to Family Hearth and Heart. Hey there, all you cowboys and cowgirls. Mosey on over by the campfire for a hearty supper, sure to satisfy even the pickiest buckaroos. Today we're making Cowboy Casserole, a delicious and hearty Southwestern meal, filling enough to feed a bunch of hungry cowboys, or at least a hungry family that sometimes acts like a bunch of cowboys. It's got everything you'll love: creamy, cheesy, crispy, and full of flavor. It's quick and easy. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound ground beef. 1 small onion chopped. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. ½ cup sour cream. 1½ cups shredded cheddar cheese. 1 can of corn, drained. 1 bag frozen tater tots. Salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder for seasoning. And for some extra heat, 1 small can of diced mild green chili peppers. Start by browning your ground beef with the chopped onion. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Cook until it's nice and golden and your kitchen is filled with an irresistible aroma. While that's cooking, mix together your cream of mushroom soup, sour cream, corn, diced green peppers, and 1 cup of the shredded cheese. This is your creamy base. It's what makes this casserole so delicious. Now grab a 9x13 baking dish and layer the beef, creamy base, and cheese. First, spread the beef mixture on the bottom, then pour your creamy corn mixture over the top. Finish with a layer of tater tots. Gotta fill up those little cowboys and cowgirls. Sprinkle the rest of the cheese right over the top. You can add a little paprika or parsley if you want it pretty, but cowboys don't care about pretty. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes until those tater tots are crispy and the cheese is bubbling like a campfire pot. Serve it hot with a side of cornbread. It's hearty, homey, and guaranteed to be a hit at the dinner table. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Visit our website at familyhearthandheart.com. From my hearth to yours, happy cooking!